Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how to install IntelliJ for macOS. Simply I will go to Google and will type download IntelliJ. So it will go to the JetBrains site. So here, uh, so this is completely paid version. So we'll go to other version and from here, this UI will come. And now we'll go to community edition. So 2025.2, we have community edition. We'll go to Mac OS and community edition and simply will download this Mac OS full. So I have already downloaded. So I'm canceling this and we'll go to downloads. And here I have this version, this. So we'll double click this version, we'll drag and drop here. So uh, I have already this uh, in my application. So I am stopping this and we're going to uh, here applications and now IntelliJ is on my machine. So we'll double click and we can start our project. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll come up with new sessions.